Is your skin really, really itchy? Chances are it's because your body is filled with dead skin cells and clogged pores, which results in really itchy skin. In the summer, if you're into tanning, you want that even, nice glow all across your body, even if your body is getting tan inadvertently while golfing or gardening. But if you are purposely trying to get that all over body glow, you need to use an Italy towel first. Tanning on top of dead skin is really unhealthy because not only are you stripping away the skin's moisture, but it's because there's dead skin cells underneath and then you're just burning another layer on top. So your skin can become very irritated, itchy, dry, and it may even look wrinkled when really it's not. Sometimes if you don't want the frills of a spa, lighting the candles in your bathtub, and setting the mood, you just want to get the job done. So I recommend that you give this tool a try. It's easy, it's hygienic, and it really takes just a few extra minutes while you're in the shower. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a demonstration of how I use this to exfoliate my skin. So I did a little bit of research on the internet after asking my mom, who also didn't have any clue why it was called an Italy towel. And Google told me that it's because of the material that it's made in. So back in the days when they first came out with this tool, they used some imported fabric that's called viscose and rayon, and it was actually imported from Italy, so I guess the name stuck. So I'm here to introduce this to you for those who aren't familiar with it and tell you about a little bit of the Korean traditions of the bathhouse. So when you go to Korea, these little guys are very inexpensive. They work out to about $2 a piece if you are going to the public bathhouse. In the public bathhouse, I have memories of ajumas asking me to go soak myself in the communal tub, and then after, when my skin was a little wrinkled and prunish, then they would ask me to lie down on a massage table, and then they would proceed by taking this cloth and scrubbing my entire body, every crevice, every nook, and you just feel so good afterwards. The entire process is very, very quick. It's about 10 minutes, maybe even less. But at the end, you feel so rejuvenated. There's a little bit of technique that's involved, and the ajumas really get into not just massaging the skin, but also some of the tense, sore muscles as well. So you really need something like this after, say, sightseeing, being on your feet all day, and shopping until the morning, the sunrise. I have memories of me and my sister sitting and playing with our toys in the bathtub. And then my mom would come into the bathtub and she would bring out one of these, which me and my sister, we actually dreaded. As a kid, I didn't have an appreciation for it, but now I really do understand how it benefits the skin. My mom would say, you'll feel so much cleaner after doing this. And it became a tradition that we would do it just before a big celebration like New Year's or Christmas. For these times, I have now, thinking back, I think it's a really good ritual for the body as well as just therapeutically. It just feels really cleansing. When my mom used to do this, she said, this is how you get prettier. And at the time I didn't really believe her, but now after years of using it as an adult, I have an appreciation for it. Unlike loofahs or sponges, which my mom said were breeding grounds for lots of bacteria, these cloths are washable, reusable. They also dry really quickly, especially if you lay them out in the sun. And unlike other tools, they don't get moldy and they don't have that dirty rag smell. So tips on how to use it. When you're in the shower, I like to go through a whole ritual of washing my body with soap first, and then doing the double cleanse on my face, then doing my hair, shampoo and conditioner. And then after that, the steam from the shower just naturally moistens the skin to a level where you kind of feel that you can see certain pruny fingertips, and then the skin is now primed and ready to be exfoliated. Depending on your skin type, you may not want to do this every time you're in the shower. I certainly don't. I do this maybe once every other week. But I've gotten to know my skin, and sometimes when my skin has a lot more dead skin cells and it's more itchy, then I can do it once a week. But I don't recommend you do it any more frequently than that, just because this is a very advanced form of exfoliation. So if your skin is really sensitive, you don't want to apply so much force so that it gets irritated, and you don't want to do it too often either. The days in between, I like to use a sugar scrub. So I mentioned sugar scrubs before in a separate video, which I will link over there. So sugar scrubs are a good way to use in between the Italy towel to make sure that your skin stays smooth and hydrated. Now let's get into the shower. Gently scrub. I like to test on my hand first. The hand is not turning pink or irritated, so then I go ahead to the other parts of my body. Just scrubbing. And you can start seeing the dead skin cells form already. It's been less than a minute. Oh my gosh, so much is coming off. I will zoom in just a second once I've accumulated enough dead skin cells to show you. Wow, that's so satisfying. All that is dead, dry skin. So even scars on the body, they tend to diminish the more and more you use this mitt. So you can see all of the dead skin that's coming off. Even the neck, which is really prone to dead skin. Sometimes when you see your skin, it looks wrinkly, but it's actually not wrinkles. It's more of dead skin that's accumulated over time. The dryness can be mistaken for aged skin, but once you do this, you'll notice that your skin looks a whole lot youthful. Like, look at the amount of dead skin that's just peeling right off. It's a little gross, but it's a little fascinating and satisfying at the same time. So how was that for a demo? Did it inspire you to give this handy tool a try? My skin feels a whole lot better after accumulating all of that dirt and dead skin cells just to demo this tool to you. Let me know if you're interested in trying this. I've heard that people, when they buy online, it can take a really long time to receive the delivery, but as I build up my mean40.com website, I'd like to consider this to my website to make it available to Canadians. So if this is something that you're interested in, let me know. Also, if you have any questions, I love hearing from you. So before you go, hit subscribe, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time with better skin. Take care.